So if your Chevy Cruze is not, the Bluetooth is not working, what do you want to do? Under your steering wheel to the left, you are going to have this box here. What do you want to do? You want to take a finger and pull it out. When you're going to pull it out, then you're going to have the fuses there, the fuse box. What do you want to do? You want to locate 0, 1. It's going to be on the left top left side. That's for the Bluetooth. What do you want to do? You want to pull it out. You want to just clean it with a rag or something, or just like take it out, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then put it back in, and voila, you got it. Now the Bluetooth should be working. That's pretty much it, how you're gonna fix this issue with the Bluetooth Chevy Cruze. Another thing that you can try to do is you can unplug your, like unpair the from your phone. I will show you how you can do it. So you're gonna take your phone, then you're gonna go to top right, settings. Right here you're gonna have connections, then Bluetooth, and then you're gonna have your car there, and you want to unpair it on the bottom right. So that's how it's done. Have a great day and goodbye.